Welcome to the 50th episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook leg of lamb. Let's get started. This is our leg of lamb. It's about 5¼ pounds and I'm going to cook it for about 6 hours on low heat of 225 Fahrenheit. I'm going to start the oven right now. As the oven is preheating, I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm going to use to rub on the leg of lamb. We'll start with Worcestershire sauce. The Worcestershire sauce is in this bottle. Next item we have is allspice, which is in this bottle. We have black pepper, salt and oil. I took this lamb and I washed it up nicely and I've dried it. Now I'm going to rub Worcestershire sauce first. I'll put slowly all around, give a good massage to the leg, all over. I'll turn it around. Do the same on this side. Once this is done, I'll put salt on it, a little thin layer of everything. Black pepper, not too much, just a little bit. Next one is allspice. Now this becomes like a dry rub. First I put the sauce, then I put all the dry stuff. Now this is ready to go in, but before I put the leg in, I put a little bit of oil on the pan. I just heard the sound of the oven. It's already preheated. So I'll put this in the oven. This is the close-up of the leg of lamb with all the spices and rub, which is very thin. I'll now put this in the oven and leave it for 6 hours on slow cooking. It's about 1:30 now. We'll take it out at 7:30. It's been 6 hours now and I'm going to open the oven and get the roast out. I'll shut the oven. You can now see the meat is cooked, it's off the bone now, that shows like it's cooked. We'll leave it for a while so that the juices inside the meat will stay inside. If you cut right away, the juices come out and the meat gets hard. We'll leave it for approximately 30 minutes and we'll come back and cut it. It's now 30 minutes and I'll start cutting the meat from the leg. It's nice and soft meat. I'm going to cut bigger pieces now and they look quite juicy too. You can see the meat is quite juicy and is nice size. And I'll continue cutting the pieces now till I cut the whole roast. Now I'm getting to the core of the meat, and look at it, how juicy it is and soft. We are almost at the bone now. I'm touching the bone actually right now. As I'm cutting it, you can see the bone. So it's cooked all the way inside. Look at all the meat in the bowl, it's almost full. I'm also almost finished cutting the meat off the bone. These are the remaining bones right now, and I've taken most of the meat out of it, and you can see all the meat is in this bowl. And the bowl is now full. Typically, I make 3 recipes with this amount of meat. If you want to see any example of what I've made in the past, you can see lamb rogan josh, lamb curry, or lamb pulao. But with this meat, I will make 3 brand new recipes. So tune in for that. This meat is already cooked and ready to eat. You can eat it as Western style meal with potatoes and vegetables. And now I'm going to do a taste test and let you know how it's cooked. It's very soft and juicy, and it has a taste of the spices too. This is our finished leg of lamb roast, ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave it below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all your friends. Until next time.